Did you know you can have the perfect pout without the metal mouth? Well, brace yourself. With cosmetic dentistry, you can have a reason to smile in just a few office visits. Craig Stevenson can't stop smiling. His exuberant smile is contagious, but his grin wasn't always so gorgeous.
I was never comfortable with my smile. I had brown teeth, spacing, and a very bad bite.
Today, thanks to Dr. William Swearingen, Craig's sorry smile is a thing of the past.
Craig came to us with a multitude of problems. His big issue was spaces between his teeth. They were short, they were discolored. He had some bite issues. We were able to address all those issues with porcelain veneers and crowns, and we were able to accomplish it in just a few short weeks.
Cosmetic dentistry can take your smile from drab to fab in no time. The art and science of changing a person's smile, cosmetic dentistry, provides limitless options.
We can correct so many things. We can correct gum issues. We can correct crowding, spaces. We can correct wear. We can lengthen or shorten teeth. We can widen the smile. There's just a variety of things we can do. The possibilities are endless.
State-of-the-art techniques give designer dentists like Dr. Swearingen the ability to treat cosmetic cases. Thanks to procedures like teeth whitening, natural fillings, and porcelain veneers, it's easier than ever to have the smile of your dreams. Dr. Swearingen has the tools, knowledge, and years of aesthetic dental experience to create perfect, natural-looking smiles.
Because I didn't want to do 3 years of braces, I was very interested in getting it done quickly and getting everything done at once. And when I met Dr. Swearingen, he convinced me he could do that. And he told me he could do it in 4 weeks. He did, and I'm amazed.
Craig can't thank the doctor enough for his new smile, but perhaps the best compliment of all, a referral for his own mother's makeover.
Because I'm so happy with my smile and all the work that Dr. Swearingen did for me, I've had no problem referring them to my friends. Several have come in and they seem to be just as happy as I am. In fact, I actually had my mom come in and she's very happy with her smile too.
Smiles are truly important in our lives. It's one of the first 2 or 3 things that we notice about one another according to studies that have been done. We see it when patients come into our office and they're not happy with their smile, and we're able to transform them into a beautiful smile. The positive changes in the person's persona is just amazing.
With the latest advancements in cosmetic dental care, Dr. Swearingen gives his patients the chance to smile a little easier. And that, he says, inspires his own smile.
Cosmetic dentistry is truly exciting both for our office and for the patients. We get to see the changes that occur in people, and it's very rewarding for both my staff and I to be able to see patients blossom after we've done cosmetic dentistry. Patients themselves are rewarded because they walk out feeling much better about themselves. So everybody gains. It's truly a rewarding profession to be involved with.
Statistics reveal that your smile is key to your personal success. Revitalize your smile and revitalize your life. Call Dr. Swearingen at 916-966-1175 to schedule your personal consultation or visit the web at dentalmagic.net.